In this video, we are going to see how we can receive the cash payments against the customer pending balances, as we have these two transactions, one of 7th January and one is of 9th January, which says cash received from HK Brooks and Company in cash, and from the other customer we are receiving it in Citibank. So let's see how we can enter this. First of all, just head over to the customer invoices, and from HK Brooks, let's say this is the invoice, so we are receiving against that. HK Brooks invoice is this. Let's open this up and click on pay. We are receiving it in cash, so the journal should be cash. Click on search more. As we can see, the journal is already set, but we cannot add the new one from here. So click on close, click close from here, and immediately we'll click on configuration and journals. And from here, we defined a new journal that is cash, type is cash, and the cash account will be selected right here. Rest all the configuration should be as it is. Click save. Let's go back to the invoices. Select this one and click on pay. Now we can see the journal right here. Manual payment is selected, and out of this 550,000, the customer from which we are receiving money is 120,000. Payment date is 7th of January, and you can keep this memo, or otherwise we can just replace it by this transaction. Click on create payment. It's in process. Just check everything is good, and after that you can just click on validate. So this is the payment reference and this is the entry done. And if we click on the customers and invoices, it's in payment. So this is the payment on the top, and that's how you do it. Let's move to the second customer, which is Archer & Sons, and we are receiving the cash in Citibank. Go to the customers, click on invoices. This is Archer & Sons. Click on pay, bank. But we just need to make sure that the bank is configured to Citibank by default. So click on configuration and click on journals and just check this. Bank is set to Citibank by default account. So that's good. Click on invoices again. This is Archer & Sons. Click on pay, and we are receiving the payment in bank, which is manual payment. And out of 200,000 pending balance, we are receiving 175,000. Payment date is 9th of January, and in the memo, I'll just copy this and paste it right here. Click on create payment and click on validate. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.